Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, firstly, we want to tell to you all that a happy Independence Day. So, this video is going to be a drawing video.
So on this video, Karthi is going to show you how to draw.
An Independence Day special drawing. Okay, let's see how to draw it. Let's get started. Wait. I want to tell something to them that before watching the video, go down and click the subscribe button.
And don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to click
Bell icon. Okay, now let's get started. And Jai Hind. Okay, let's see how to make the Independence Day diagram. And first take the A4 sheet and trace an India map at the center of the A4 sheet. Okay, now we have to color it. First, take these two colors. Take a tissue paper and fold like this. Now rub it with Now take the green oil pastel and color it. Okay, now take another tissue paper and fold it or rub it. Okay, now take a black sketch and draw the outline of the India map. Okay, the outlining is finished. Okay, after finishing the green color, draw an Ashoka Chakram in the middle of the India map. Okay, now we have to draw a portrait of Gandhiji with graphite pencil. Our portrait of Gandhiji is finished. After drawing the Gandhiji's portrait, write Jai Hind at the top and draw a 3 birds for the beauty. Okay, our drawing is finished. Okay, thanks for watching our video.